Hi, today let's make tasty dahi chicken at home. First, let's marinate cleaned and washed chicken along with some salt, pepper powder, green chilies. Now I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. Next, what I'm doing is adding in some ginger garlic paste along with some turmeric powder. Just add a pinch of turmeric powder. Now I've added in coriander leaves and mint leaves and then marinate it really very well and keep it aside. Now in a pan, what you need to do is add in ghee and then add in cumin seeds. When it starts spluttering, add in whole garam masala like star anise, cardamom, cloves, along with cinnamon sticks. And when the aroma is infused in the oil, add in chopped onions and mix it really very well till it turns slightly pink. Then add in green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Now if you like it spicy, you can increase the green chilies. Now I'm adding in the marinated chicken and toss it and mix it really very well. Just see to that the chicken is mixed really very well with the onions and the garam masala. Now let's make a tasty sauce, for which I'm adding in curd, and I'm adding a secret ingredient which is maida. The reason why I'm adding maida is so that it doesn't curdle. So that's the reason we add in maida. Now the chicken is cooked well. Now I'm adding in the dahi or yogurts, because this is called dahi chicken. Mix it really very well and it will not curdle because I've added in maida. That's the reason. Now I'm adding in some pepper powder along with some garam masala, and then again, if you like it spicy, you can increase the pepper quantity. Mix it really very well, and finally check for the salt and add garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty dahi chicken is ready to serve with some rice, jeera rice, naan and roti. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.